How to cut part of a video clip in CapCut. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open CapCut, click on the video. Simply scroll to the left or right where you want to trim. Click on the video and at the bottom, click on split. After that, take the cursor where you want to end the video. Again, click on split at the bottom. And as you can see, it has been splitted. And if I don't want the middle part, simply click on delete at the bottom after clicking on the video at the top, and the middle section will be deleted. As you can see, there is no middle part. Without deleting front part and last part, I deleted middle part. And this is how to cut out part of a video clip in CapCut. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.